I'm at Race Armada, Poker Run. Over 230 cars. You're gonna be driving from Houston, Texas to Lake Charles. You get 5 cards along the way. Best hand wins like 3,500, whatever it is. So, I'm gonna take you guys through the whole experience. I got Shawley with me. It's loud as I can't hear. Let's go. Let's roll. Let's roll. First rally in the E63. This is a good way to break it in. It's only 150 miles, not too far. You've never been on anything crazy. Yeah, my co-pilot doesn't know how to play poker. No. Doesn't know much about cars.
For the experience, man.
But
this is amazing.
You know how to party. And that's all that matters, because we're going to a casino. We're gonna go gamble and drink and have some fun.
Whoa.
Stop 1, we gotta get a card. I don't know where we're going to get the card. The first little hour of the trip is just driving on Houston highways with traffic, not fun at all. But I'm gonna start filming from here on out, because now we're kind of like country roads, 200 cars surrounded by, look at this Raptor. Guys, I typically prefer to stay away from huge groups of cars, because inevitably when you have 200 assholes on the road at the same time, someone's gonna get in a crash. I'm trying to be safe today. I'm trying to keep my car in one piece. Hopefully no one gets in an accident. But 230 cars, right? About 30% of those cars are Mustangs, so there's probably a 99.99% chance there will be a wreck. That's when you add Mustangs to the mix, it just shoots way up. Dude, it is windy as shit.
I mean, I'm wearing all this Mercedes.
Look at this. Ready? Wait, there it goes. Just left the Buc-ee's. That was stop number 1. Shawley, where are we headed?
Lake Charles.
No, what's the next stop?
Oh shit.
Where are we going next?
Holiday Inn.
Where?
Victoria. Oh, Vider. Oh my God, bro.
What?
This is a super racist town. This is where the KKK like originated,
Look,
bro.
we got the gun. We'll be all right. We got a pistol there. We got a pistol. It'll be good.
If you're watching this video, take a second to look up Vider, Texas.
All right. Well, if for some reason there's a hate crime, we'll get that on camera too. And that's the plan. But we are currently, I think, 45 miles in. I think, what's the whole trip? 100 and I don't know. I'll put it on the screen right now. But I think we're 45 miles in. Right now we have 9 of spades and a 3 of hearts. I'm pretty sure that's legitimately the worst hand that you can have. Welcome to Vidor. I still don't know if I'm saying it right. Basically just KKK capital of the world, though, according to Shawley here. We're just gonna get the card and get the out of here. Hey, how are you? I know you don't know if this is good or not, but we got a pair. We just got a pair.
That's good.
Shawley is going to be taking us to the next stop, which is West Cal Arena and Event Center, Sulphur, LA. Oh wow, Louisiana, Sulphur, Louisiana. This is where I start hanging out the window to get pictures and video and shit. Guys, when you own a Mercedes, you can sit in the back and edit while you're driven around. This is the beauty of the E-Class. I can take it on a track, I can keep up with Vipers, but I can also sit back here and realize my laptop's dead. So I guess I'll be posting to Instagram when we get to the hotel and I can charge it. One more stop. The last stop that we are leaving this arena place and going to is actually the hotel, Le Berge, I think, in Lake Charles. So, taking a little break, and then I think we have like 30 miles left or something like that, like maybe 30 minutes. We'll be at the hotel, we draw 3 more cards, and then we party. And as of right now, the lady asked me why our sheet looked like...
Really?
She's like, it's only been an hour and a half. Why does your sheet look like it's a year old? It's like, I don't know. I pulled another 3 of hearts, but they said that wasn't legal, which I guess I understand. So we have a 3 of hearts, a 9 of spades, and 9 of diamonds, and a jack of clubs. We have a pair, not really anything. We're not looking too good right now, Shelly. You're a shitty co-pilot. We pulled another 9. We got 3 of a kind. That's a decent hand. It's not, I don't think we're gonna win anything, but it's decent. Made it to Lake Charles, as you can see behind me, the casino there. We're up on top of the parking garage. I'm gonna do a little edit of all these cars, but this is a great first rally in the E. Honestly, it's like a good like feel in the water for rallying. The next one will be multiple day, like maybe 1,000 mile or something like that. Gold Rush or Corsa or something, I don't know. Anyways, I don't know if I can take a GoPro into the casino, but if I can, I definitely will. We have an after party to go to in a couple hours. Pretty much all 300 people are gonna go hang out at the Golden Nugget. There's a bar there. It should be a fun night. So yeah, spin doing edit. All right, guys, camera's gonna die any second now. I'm gonna switch to my iPhone because I know if I take this camera to the casino floor and stuff, 1, I don't think I can, and then 2, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose it or break it or something. So let's switch to the iPhone. You ready to eat? Charlie doesn't look too good. I'm gonna give him some food here, and yeah. I'm not sure how much of last night I filmed. I'm not really sure how much last night I remember, but I know I had a good time. But now we gotta drive 2.5 hours home. I'm not too hungover. Shali is hungover. But I think myself, this F12 and the 360 behind us are all gonna kind of carpool back to Houston. You want anything? Guys, Mercedes said the new 4-liter engine they put in the AMG GTS and the E63 and all that's like one of the most fuel efficient V8s on the market. I don't think so. This is the second time I filled up. I'm only getting like 200 miles a tank, and it's a pretty good sized tank. I'm averaging like 10 to 11 miles a gallon. It's not working out for me.
That's your Batmobile?
Yes.
Like, I don't know what it is. Just from here in front of it looks like that.
No, but I like the name. It'll work.
You guys got a phone I could use? Some dude just pointed a gun at me from a truck when I was riding.
Did you just hear what that guy said?
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Here we are, once again, ending a video in my room. Turns out whenever I get a hangover, my vlogging skills go down the drain. I totally forgot to film since we left Louisiana until we got back to Houston. So we got back about 4 hours ago. I took a little power nap, just took a shower. I feel 100 times better now. I wanted to wrap up this vlog by thanking the Race Armada crew. I'll put a link to their website. It'll be the first link in the description box down below. I had a great time on this poker run. They do like 2 or 3 rallies a year. Some are pretty long, some are short like the poker run. If you're interested in participating on the next one, then click the link down below, check them out. The car was phenomenal. The power, I'm finally been able to like really push my car. It easily took on a 458 and a Viper yesterday, and then today an F12 neck and neck. And that's totally stock, so once it's tuned, this thing's gonna be an absolute beast. Can't wait to do more events like this. Let me know down in the comment box below what you thought of the video, if you want me to do more stuff like this in the future. It's a little bit more vloggy, a little bit more personal than some of my other videos, but hopefully you guys like it because I had a really good time making it. I have a Panamera Sport Turismo Turbo review coming up and a BMW F80 M3 review coming up. So if you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you hit that button down below, turn on notifications, and smash that like button if you like the video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.